What is ISO? So you've obviously got this fancy camera now, and you're thinking, oh man, all of these buttons, and you have a look and you're like, ISO, what's this? ISO is a fancy term for International Standard of Organisation. Back in the day, we had the little negatives. We now have a digital version of that, hence the cameras and stuff currently. What it does is it increases the sensitivity to light, so it makes things essentially brighter or darker. If you increase the ISO, you get the horrible grainy images. So when you're out, in a dark place or at a nightclub, you get that horrible grain. That's because the ISO is too high. You clearly don't want that. So scaling that back to maybe 400 ISO, that's probably the sweet spot. So once you've got 400 ISO kind of locked in, you just generally don't need to change it. But the ISO is literally how grainy you make the image. And how sensitive you make the camera to light, really.